ఫ్రెండ్స్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2021 పేపర్ 1లోని ఈవీఎస్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్ కీని చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, విత్ ఓవర్ 50 స్టూడెంట్స్ హర్ క్లాస్, Vani wants to engage them in an activity which involves maximum number of senses to enhance learning. Which of the following activity will be suitable for this purpose? Right answer is option 1, organizing field trip to nearby places. Next question, why does ICRA encourage her learners to read newspapers, magazines in EVS? In EVS, newspaper and magazines are real materials. So, option 1, these helps to learners become competitive. Option 2, these are entertaining resource available. Option 3, these helps learners to engage with real world. Option 4, these helps learners to become independent. Right answer is option 3, these help learners to engage with her real world. Next question, questioning as strategy in teaching learning of EVS is used for option 1, arousing curiosity in classroom. Next question, your house is located at X and your school is located at Y. Although your school is just opposite, but you cannot go straight because of the subway highway in between. So you first go 125 meters due to south, then cross 100 meters long subway which due to east, and finally reach your school at Y, which is 125 meters due to north. With respect to school at Y, your house at X. House is just opposite to school. First 125 meters due to south, 125 meters, then 100 meters due to east, next 125 meters due to north. Right answer is 100 meters due to east, option 3. In which one of the following states the meaning of Torang in jungle? Right answer is Jharkhand. Next question, a boy boarded a train on 4th June 2028 Nagarkol for Madgan. The train departed at 22:30 minutes from Nagarkol and reached Madgan at 4:30 hours on 6th June 2020. If the distance covered by the train during distance time interval is 1145 kilometers, the average speed of train was nearly. 4th June journey is 1 hour 30 minutes. The June journey is 24 hours. 6th June journey is 4 hours 30 minutes. Total 30 hours. Average speed S is equal to D by T. D is equal to 1145 by 1145 by 30. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 6 8s are point something. Right answer is option 3, 38.5. Next question, which one of the following statement is not true for honeybees and beehives? Right answer is option 3, male bees are very important for hives. Next question, today we cannot think of food without chilies. These were brought to our country by traders coming from South America. Next question 16, and consider the following functions for plants. To give support to plant, B to provide humus, C to store food, D to absorb water and minerals. The function of roots are. Right answer is option 4, B C D. Next question, which one of the following is not a union territory of India? Right answer is option 4, Manipur. Next question, which among the following produce crude oil? Option 1 Bihar and Bombay Highway. Option 2 Bombay Highway, West Bengal. Option 3 Assam and Odisha. Right answer is option 4 Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Next question. The constitution of our country was prepared under the leadership of. Right answer is option 4 Dr. Bhimrao Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Next question. Pochampalli is a town of southern state of India which is famous for its beautifully designed bright colored Pochampalli sarees and for special kind of weave which is also called Pochampalli. This town is now a part of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana. Right answer is option 4 Telangana. Next question. Select from the following group establish each number of which is rich in iron. Option 1 cabbage, amla, spinach. Option 2 jaggery, amla, tomato. Option 3 amla, spinach, jaggery. Option 4 amla, cabbage, tomato. Right answer is option 3 amla, spinach and jaggery. Next question. Select from the following a group of birds each members of which is able to see distinctly the object 4 times as far as we can see. Right answer is option 1 eagles, kites and vultures. Next question. In which one of the following states most villagers construct their wooden houses 3 to 3.5 meters above the ground on strong bamboo pillars with sloping roofs? Right answer is option 4 Assam. Next question. With respect to location of Delhi on map in India, directions of locations of Gandhinagar, capital of Gujarat, and Patna, capital of Bihar, respect are. Right answer is southwest and southeast. Which one of the following did experiments with pea plants and found the pea plant has some traits which come in pairs such as rough or smooth, tall or short, yellow or green, etc. Right answer is option 3 Grover, John and Mundell. Next question. Which of the following is one of the 6 themes suggested in EVS syllabus as per NCF 2005? Right answer is natural resources. Option 3 is right answer. Next question. What should be avoided in anecdotal records? Identifying mainly problematic solutions. B. Making statements of judgment. C. Identifying strengths and weakness. D. Identifying children's areas of interesting and relationships, etc. Right answer is A and B. Identifying mainly problematic situation, making statement of judgment. Next question. How will you plan for integrated EVS classroom? Combine 2 or more subjects areas into one lesson. Next question. Puneet gave his class 5th learners an outline of human's body. Asked them draw the digestive system. Before teaching chapter on food, Puneet wants to elicit learners' ideas about digestion. Question number 83. Which of the following is not correct with respect to formative assessment? Right answer is option 2. It is B. Reported in every quarter of report card. Not correct with respect to formative assessment. Question. Smita wants to sensitize her learners about gender disparity and stereotype related to work. What should Smita choose to do in her class from the following suggestions? Right answer is option 1. Invite a student's mother to class who is an auto driver. Next question. Smayan of class 5th usually does not do his given classwork. The best measure to address the situation could be. Right answer is option 1. Talk to him, find his difficulty and adjust the classwork accordingly. Next question. Muskan organized a debate on the topic use of diesel vehicles in transportation should be prohibited. What is the purpose of organizing this debate by Muskan in classroom. Right answer is option 1. It helps to students in appreciating multiple perspective on this issue. Mapping skills in EVS help develop understanding of relative position of places. The integrated nature of EVS helps too. Right answer is option 4. Follow child-centric approach and introduce larger number of concepts. Next question. Which of the following is not a broad indicator of EVS assessment? Concept mapping. Right answer is option 1. Not a broad indicator of EVS assessment is concept mapping. Next question. There is a paragraph in class 5th EVS textbook based on Al-Biruni's observation of construction of ponds in India some thousands years ago. What would be the purpose of including this paragraph? A. It helps to learner to identify sources of history. B. It helps learners to improve their recording observation. C. It helps learners to appreciate technology present in India some thousand years back. D. It helps learners to appreciate the role of evidence in history. Right answer is option 3. A, C, D.